A single teaspoon per day improves libido, testosterone levels, energy levels, and muscle strength. I'm going to share a natural concoction that's transforming the lives of adults over 50. Have you noticed that every year seems to be a bigger betrayal from your body? You gradually lose the energy you once took for granted. The strength that was so effortless starts to wane. It may appear as though your enthusiasm for life and mental clarity are ebbing away before your very eyes. What if I told you that time has taken away some things that could be restored with a natural, easy solution? A robust blend of the strongest natural compounds that together can help your body reach its full sleeping potential. I've studied natural therapies for decades in an effort to find solutions that help the body rather than just cover up its symptoms. And now, I'm going to share what may be the most effective daily routine for anyone over 50 who want to feel youthful and alive again. This supplement isn't your average one. Targeting the underlying causes of aging, it is a meticulously formulated blend of 6 distinct substances. This all-natural method tackles several issues at once, including low energy, muscle weakness, cognitive fog, and decreased libido. Like a symphony, each element enhances the advantages of the others to produce a deeply restorative effect. Let me walk you through what goes into this life-changing mixture and why each ingredient is essential for anyone looking to feel stronger, sharper, and more alive. The first key ingredient is Peruvian maca. This ancient root has been treasured for centuries in the Andes Mountains, where locals refer to it as the fountain of youth. What makes maca so extraordinary is its unique ability to adapt to your body's individual needs. Imagine your energy systems as dimming light bulbs. Maca works like a gentle electrical current, gradually restoring brightness, not in a jittery, caffeine-like way, but with a sustained, natural vitality that carries you through the day with calm focus. For men, maca supports healthy testosterone levels naturally, without the dangerous side effects of synthetic hormones. For women, it helps balance shifting hormone levels after menopause, promoting emotional stability and overall vitality. Both men and women often report a noticeable increase in libido within just a few weeks of daily use, often accompanied by a renewed sense of enthusiasm for life itself. But maca alone isn't enough. That's why the second ingredient in this blend is powdered ginger. Most people think of ginger as nothing more than a kitchen spice or a remedy for nausea. But few realize that it contains powerful compounds known as gingerols, natural anti-inflammatories that work throughout your entire body. As we age, chronic inflammation becomes a silent enemy. It lingers in our joints, our tissues, even our brains, acting like tiny fires that quietly erode our health and vitality. Ginger helps extinguish these fires. It soothes and calms the body's internal environment, allowing healing to begin. When I first started taking this mixture, the persistent pain in my knees that had troubled me for years began to ease after just 2 weeks. I could climb stairs again without grimacing. I could garden without regretting it the next day. The relief was not only physical, it was emotional. The third ingredient may surprise you. It's turmeric powder, but not just any turmeric. You must be cautious when buying turmeric from the supermarket. Always check the label to ensure it says, turmeric powder, and nothing else. Many brands dilute turmeric with fillers like cornmeal, drastically reducing its medicinal value. Pure turmeric contains curcumin, which scientists now consider one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory compounds ever discovered. It works by blocking the same pathways as many prescription anti-inflammatory drugs, but without their dangerous side effects. Think of curcumin as a master switch that turns down the volume on inflammation throughout your body. Less inflammation means less pain, greater mobility, clearer thinking, and more energy. For people with arthritis, fibromyalgia, or just the common aches and pains of aging, this ingredient alone can transform daily life. But we're still not finished. The fourth ingredient is cinnamon powder. It's a common spice, but its effects are anything but ordinary, especially when it comes to blood sugar control. As we grow older, our cells become more resistant to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar. This resistance can lead to fluctuating energy levels, weight gain, and an increased risk of diabetes. Cinnamon contains compounds that help your cells respond better to insulin. Picture your cells as tiny rooms with sticky doors that insulin must open to allow sugar in for energy. Cinnamon helps lubricate these hinges, making it easier for sugar to enter the cells and be used efficiently. The result is more stable energy, improved metabolism, and fewer afternoon crashes. I always add a heaping tablespoon of cinnamon to my mixture, not only because I love its warm, comforting flavor, but because it works so beautifully with the other ingredients, enhancing their effectiveness. The fifth ingredient brings both delight and powerful benefits. Pure cocoa powder, not the sugary hot chocolate mixes from the store, but real, unsweetened cocoa from a trusted health food source. Cocoa is one of nature's richest sources of antioxidants known as flavonols. These compounds protect your brain cells from oxidative stress and improve blood flow to the brain. The result is sharper memory, clearer thinking, and even an elevated mood. Cocoa also contains theobromine, a mild stimulant that boosts mental alertness without the crash that comes with caffeine. It's also a natural source of tryptophan, which your body uses to produce serotonin, your happiness hormone. On the days when I forget to take my mixture, I feel the difference. My mind is just a little slower, my mood a little duller. It's like the contrast between a foggy morning and a clear, sunlit day. Now for the sixth and possibly most crucial ingredient, creatine. Many people associate creatine with young bodybuilders, but research shows it can be incredibly beneficial for adults over 50. As we age, our body's natural creatine stores begin to decline, impacting everything from muscle performance to mental energy. Supplementing with just 5 grams of creatine daily can restore these levels and yield significant benefits. Think of your muscles and brain cells as rechargeable batteries that no longer hold a full charge. Creatine helps recharge them, allowing your muscles to move more powerfully and your brain to function with renewed clarity. Studies have shown that creatine can increase muscle strength by up to 15% in just 12 weeks. It also supports memory, bone density, and even cardiovascular health. For people in their 50s, 60s, and beyond, these improvements can mean the difference between dependence and independence. It's about regaining the freedom to live life on your own terms. Preparing this rejuvenating mixture is simple. You'll need 1 heaping tablespoon of Peruvian maca powder, 1 level tablespoon of powdered ginger, 1 level tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 heaping tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 heaping tablespoon of pure cocoa powder, and 5 grams, or about 1 teaspoon, of creatine powder. Mix all of these thoroughly in a clean, dry bowl. This blend will last you about 3 to 4 days. If you'd like to make more, just multiply the ingredients and store the mixture in a sterilized glass jar in your refrigerator. It will stay fresh for about a month. Each morning, take 1 heaping tablespoon of this blend. You can stir it into a glass of lemon juice. Vitamin C boosts absorption, or mix it into yogurt, sprinkle it over fruit, or blend it into a smoothie. The taste is delightful. The cocoa and cinnamon give it a comforting, almost dessert-like flavor that you'll genuinely enjoy. Within the first week, you may notice subtle shifts, perhaps a bit more energy in the morning or a clearer head. By the second week, many people report better sleep, fewer aches, and a brighter mood. After a month of consistent use, the deeper benefits become evident. Increased strength, sharper focus, a rekindled sense of passion and drive. This isn't just about feeling better. It's about reclaiming parts of yourself that you thought were gone forever. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. Instead of relying on a drawer full of pills, one for your joints, another for your memory, another for energy, this single blend supports multiple systems at once. And unlike pharmaceuticals that often come with long lists of side effects, these ingredients have stood the test of time, used safely by cultures across the world for generations. They work with your body, not against it. Falling in love with feeling wonderful again, waking up feeling rejuvenated, moving pain-free, thinking clearly, and yes, rediscovering a vibrant love life, is the only negative consequence you might encounter. Every day, I take this combo. Additionally, I continue to conduct research, teach, and lead a purposeful life at a time when many of my colleagues are slowing down or retiring due to health issues. There is a noticeable difference between the days I take it and the days I don't. I feel as though I'm turning on a switch inside of me. Recall that growing older need not equate to decline. Your body has the incredible capacity to regenerate and flourish well into old age with the correct care. This straightforward daily routine might hold the secret to releasing the potential for you. For more natural health solutions created for healthy aging, please think about subscribing to my channel if you found this material useful. For decades, your body has diligently served you. It is now your responsibility to provide it with the food and attention it so richly merits. I appreciate you viewing, and I hope you will share your own transformational tale in the comment section below.